Spring is here, and that means new beginnings. That means stepping into the kitchen, maybe trying something new. Marisa Mariella is here and has cooked a feast for us today. What have you brought?
Well, let's make it clear. This isn't something that you would have, all at once, right?
Only at your house.
Well, maybe that could be true, actually. Yeah. So we're keeping it light and fresh.
Yes.
Although Mother Nature is not helping us to feel like it's spring outside.
Yeah.
When you see Ontario asparagus, Ontario strawberries, you know that spring is here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we're going to start off with a frittata,
okay.
High protein. So are you pretty good in the kitchen?
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, so you're going to whisk that up.
Do we have a bigger whisk? This is what I want to know.
I do, actually.
Okay.
We're just going to go lightly on that.
Okay.
And I just roasted some asparagus. We're going to just do this TV way, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to add some, this is Asiago.
Whoa, love it.
But this is not the Asiago that most people think of with the dark rind.
Yeah.
This is authentic Asiago from Italy. A little bit of lemon rind, and we have some mint.
Love it.
Yeah,
mint.
and frittata and a little bit of parmigiano. So you get the idea,
Boom.
right? And really, you can do anything, any vegetables that you want.
Yeah.
We're focusing in on asparagus, but really it could be zucchini, anything. Yeah, you can just put that to the side. And then you're going to bake this up first on the stove. But I just want to show you how you can add some more protein and flavor. So this is partially cooked. And we're going to add some nice dollops of beautiful, rich, creamy ricotta, okay? And then it goes into the oven to finish off cooking, and I roasted a few more of the asparagus, and there it is.
That looks amazing.
So that's a meal in itself, right?
Absolutely.
Nutritious, and really only takes about 15 minutes to put together.
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
I love that. Exactly. Okay, let's move on to minestrone. Do you know in the Italian language, there are so many words that mean soup? Minestrone,
Zuppa.
minestrina, zuppa, zuppetta, so many words.
Yeah.
We're keeping it light with this springtime minestrone. I got you started with some onions.
Okay.
And then look at all these vegetables, okay? So you stir and I'm gonna add.
Okay.
All right, we've got some carrots. We're gonna pretend that we're doing this on the stove.
Yep.
Some zucchini. Do you like potatoes in your minestrone?
Love it, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to keep it a little lighter, then just omit the potatoes.
Okay.
And I should say that I've started flavoring that with some prosciutto.
Ooh.
Yes, that gives it a lot of flavor. And then some celery, of course. And you know that water makes a delicious soup. You don't have to go buy that prepackaged stock.
Right.
No, you don't need to do that. You can obviously make it at home, but water does a trick. So you're going to fill this with some water.
Okay.
You can add some crushed tomatoes if you like.
Beautiful.
Right? Oh, I hope I didn't splatter you.
No, you're good.
If you got splattered,
I'll send you the dry cleaning.
Oh, okay. It's proof that you were in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
And then more protein. You're just going to add a few different beans, whatever you like. Okay. And then that's going to simmer, and it's going to fill your kitchen and home with this beautiful aroma.
Yep.
And because it makes so much, you've got lunch for the rest of the week.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And if you have leftovers, you can freeze it for another day.
Yes, and also maybe if there's a coworker that needs a little pick-me-up, right? Bring them a jar.
Perfect.
It's always nice to do that. Okay, next one, pasta piselli. Do you know what piselli are?
Piselli, the little pastas?
So that's close. So piselli are the beans, the peas. And right now we have fresh Ontario peas that you can shuck. I remember sitting with my mom shucking those bushels.
For hours on end,
Hours and hours. Anyway, a very simple pasta dish. So I got you started here with some pancetta, beautiful pancetta, onions, a little bit of cherry tomatoes, and of course some peas. So you're gonna add those peas to it.
Okay.
And then this is going to simmer on the stove with some water, and then you're going to add your pasta.
Nice.
Okay, so see this?
Yeah.
There's a big thing now. Oh,
Are you going to break it?
Yes,
oh
I know.
My gosh.
I know. There's such controversy.
Yeah.
I grew up doing this, right?
Yeah.
You get the spaghetti and you actually break it off.
Yeah.
That's
and
what
now you have a different kind of noodle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And if you have some pasta left over, you can just mix and match and put it in. Okay. So ready to do a little tasting?
We got a minute? Yeah. Let's do it.
So try the
This is the spring minestrone.
Yes. Tell me what you think.
Alrighty.
Oh, you know what? I didn't add some cheese to it, but you can pretend there's parmigiano on it. Nice,
Beautiful.
Flavorful, right?
Absolutely.
Would you ever think that that was just water?
No.
Yes, exactly. Okay, and now here's the piselli, pasta piselli. Okay, hang on. We're gonna do this right.
Okay, yeah, we need to.
Got the real parmigiano reggiano. Hang on. Last touch.
Oh, little balsamic.
There we go. Nice?
Yes.
Very good. We're going to finish
it.
off with a strawberry rhubarb upside down cake.
That looks so nice.
Take a look at the design that it makes on the top,
Beautiful.
right? So I have a little video that shows how to make that. Again, you can use your own batter. This one here is gluten-free. And you know what the best compliment is? When someone says, no way, is that really gluten-free?
Yeah,
right?
it
Because
is.
it's so good. So we have some cucumber salad, grilled chicken. Take it easy in the kitchen. It's springtime.
So many
Bring
options.
the sunshine in.
Really quick, what's the website?
MarisaMariella.com.
Okay, all the links will be on our website as well, chch.com/morninglive. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you. This was so much fun. You did a great job too.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Well, it's easy to eat thing.